Hey guys, Lockie here from 782 Motors on the Gold Coast. I want to show you another car in our next auction today. This is a 1959 Cadillac Coupe de Ville. This is the height of the space race era for the Cadillacs. Had the biggest fins that they ever put on them, fronts full of chrome, big luxury American cruiser. This car, you'll notice, is right-hand drive converted. It came to Australia in the early 90s. In the mid-90s, it went through a $100,000 resto. Beautifully done, its original colours, got matching number 390 under the bonnet, 4-speed automatic, power windows, power seats, power brakes, power steering, all the gear, on a set of fat whites. Check it out on our website, www.782motors.com.au.